Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I'm sharing how to make paneer kadhai curry with homemade spices. Let's check the ingredients to make this simple but mouth-watering dish.
Paneer 250 gram, bell pepper 1 large or 2 medium, onion 1 large or 2 medium, tomato 1 medium, cashew nut 6 to 8, black cardamom 1, turmeric quarter teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, garlic cloves 4, ginger 1 inch, oil half cup, butter 1 tablespoon. For garnishing, we need fresh coriander, salt according to your taste, and 2 tablespoons my homemade kadhai masala. Let's start making.
We will just saute these vegetables because we will make puree. First I will add little bit oil. First thing first will go black cardamom. Now first I will add onion. You can see I just chopped in big chunk. I will cook onion till it gets transparent. Then I will add ginger, garlic and cashew nut and cook them for 1 minute. And then here goes tomato. To make tomato soften quickly, here I will add half teaspoon salt. I will mix them together and put the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes or till the tomato gets soft. Now guys, it's time to check the veg. See, tomato is tender. Now I'll take it out and let it cool. Guys, here you can see that I diced paneer, onion and green pepper in cubes form. I will fry them, but paneer will be fried separately. I will do shallow fry, not deep fry. First I will fry paneer. Now you can see paneer is getting crunchy and brown from all sides. Now it's time to take the paneer out. You can see here guys, I will take out the paneer and put directly in lukewarm water so paneer will be soft. In the same way, look, I will fry onion on high flame until they are transparent. Now guys, you can see onion is transparent. Now it's time to add pepper. Pepper will be fried on high flame not more than 2 minutes. I do not want to lose the crunchiness of the veg. Now it's the time to turn off the flame and take the veg out from the wok. Onion, garlic, cashew, tomato is ready to make puree. Let's do it. Now guys, everything is ready. Let's start cooking. I will add more oil in the same wok. If you want, you can change it. I won't because the oil is full of flavor. I will let it warm on low flame. First I will add chili powder in oil. It will bring nice color in a curry. I will mix quickly and immediately I will add veg puree and turmeric in it and keep mixing. Now you can see the vital difference in color. At this point, now I will add my homemade kadhai masala and add 2 tablespoons water. I will mix it well and then I'm gonna cover this and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now guys, this is the time to check the spices. Now you can see the oil is ooze out. Here I will make gravy. I will add bit water because in my family I will serve it with naan. So first I will add half cup, then I'll see. It's up to you. It's not a rocket science formula. Okay, you have to put the exact measurement of water. Guys, first I will put onion and pepper in it. Now I'll bring the flame down. I will cover it and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Guys, let's check the curry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here you can see veg are still crunchy. Now this is the time to add paneer. See how soft it is. Here goes paneer in it. I will mix it well. Guys, here is no need to add garam masala or dried fenugreek leaves because everything is included. My homemade kadhai masala. Here I will just add coriander leaves, but it is optional. If you want, you can skip it. At the end, I will add butter and cream, 1 tablespoon each, but it's optional as well. If you want, you can skip it. This is the time to check seasoning. If need to be adjusted, I will cover it and let it simmer for about 1 minute. Now guys, let's check the curry. Paneer kadhai curry is ready. Let's transfer it in a serving bowl. Guys, this curry tastes excellent with naan, roti, paratha. It can go very well with boiled rice as well. Do try this simple recipe and give me feedback. There is a humble request. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new video first. I will bring more delicious curries. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.